Hi my dear students, welcome to Dakshin Engineer Junctions where you learn the concepts with expert educators. As I have promised you, we are doing the concept through questions series on engineering maths and recording these problems and all. You can follow this link in the Telegram channel, Telegram group. You can search my name, that is B V Reddy Gate. There you can get the complete questions whatever we are discussing daily. Those questions are uploaded, and do follow the channel and subscribe. Now today we are going to continue the day 4 problems. Till now previously we have completed that. Till day 3 we have finished. Those who not yet completed previously, you can follow the previous courses. You can see in this playlist. Let's see one by one problem. In this session what we are doing now here, 5 questions from the linear algebra, 5 questions from the probability and 5 questions from the calculus. Chalo, let's see one by one problem. The first problem, they has given some matrix. A is given as Aij and the elements in the matrix is given as I plus j whole square by 2. If we see the matrix A, that is 2 cross 3 matrix. Now can you tell me the elements in the matrix we need to find? So first element is A11, A12, A13, and the next element what we can take, A21, A22, A23, the rectangular matrix. Now this each element is given as I plus j whole square by 2. So can you tell me this element here, I plus j? So if I add these two here, 2 square by 2 means what now, 4 by 2, which is at 2. Next 3 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3 square, 9 by 2. Next 4 square, 16 by 2, 8. 2 plus 1, 3, that is 9 by 2. 2 plus 2, 4, 16 by 2, which is 8. 5, 25 by 2. Isn't it? So these are the elements of this matrix. So the option 2. Next, they given the two matrices given here. You see A minus 2b given as this matrix, 2a minus 3b given. So now they are asking from this, they are asking to find what will be the b value. So, and you can see now here, so will b value required. So let us cancel. We need to do the things such that a must be get cancelled. A must be cancelled. Here we have 2a minus 3b we have. This is the matrix is given, minus 3 plus 3, 1 minus 1. Now if I multiply this thing with this first one with a 2, then see what happened. So minus 2 say multiply here, minus 2a plus it will becomes what we can say, tell me now here. We are multiplying with what? Minus 2. Then it will becomes what you tell me now here, plus 4b. And what I will get now, minus 2 here, this is minus 2 plus 4 minus 6 and 0. Now if I add these two, we can directly will get b. Now tell me, if we add these two we can directly get the b. So tell me now here, that is minus 5, 7, minus 5, minus 1. So what's the option you can see? Second option. Next, they given I matrix and some B matrix, they given some C, then they are asking how we can express the C. How we can express the C. Let us do verification from the options. If you have taken option 1, 1 choose किया, so they given this is the form of I into cos theta plus B into sin theta. Right. Now you can see now here I matrix, which is given as 1 0 0 1, and this is multiplied by cos theta plus B matrix 0 1 minus 1 0, and this is multiplied by sin theta. This is multiplied by sin theta. Now let's see this thing here. We simplify here, so which will get this as cos theta 0 0 cos theta plus 0 sin theta minus sin theta and 0. So you can see now simplify what will get here, which is nothing but cos theta sin theta minus sin theta and cos theta. You can see now this is the matrix, they given us C matrix. This is the C matrix, you tell me. So the first option is correct. Let us simply do verification for the options. Next, see the next problem. A given, B given, and they given the relation 2A plus C equal to B. Now what will be the C value? C, which is nothing but B minus 2A. B minus 2A. Tell me the B matrix now here. 4 3 0 2, and minus with 2A means 2 4 4 and 10, and simplify this thing, what will get here? 2 minus 1 minus 4 minus 8. So what will be the option here? 2. Next, if A is given as like this, Ka given, then the values of K comma A B are. Now you can see now here they given Ka. If I multiply this thing, what I'll get now here? 0, 2K, 3K, minus 4K. And they given this Ka, which is given as, according to the given problem, they given this as 3A, and this is 2B, and this is 24, right? Now by equating the element wise, so what I can say, 2K. This is what you tell me, 2K which is equal to 3A. Next 3K which is equal to 2B. And then what? Minus 4K which is equal to 24. From this K equal to how much you tell me? Minus 6. Then this K value we can replace here. Then you can get A value as, that is minus 12 by 3, which is equal to minus 4. And B value, which is equal to minus 18 by 2, which is equal to minus 9. The K value, which is a minus 6. You can see the option K value minus 6, A minus 4, B minus 9. These are the linear algebra problems. And now let's move to the probability problems. And take this problem. A tosses 2 coins, B tosses 3 coins. The probability that B should get more number of heads. Okay. So in this means, what you tell me now here, A has 2 coins, B has a 3 coins. B has 3 coins, right? Now B should get more number of heads compared to A. So first case, let us say A tossing the 2 coins, let us say he got both tails, he got both tails. That means heads for A is 0. That so B must get 1 head, 2 heads, 3 heads. All this combination will happen. Now tell me, all this combination. If the B get at least just 1 head, so then the given statement is satisfied, isn't it? So how many combination will happen with this? Now here tell me, that is 3 factorial by tail repeated 2 times. Now here arrangement we will see, so which is equal to 3. Next, and next you tell me now here what are the other combinations you can see. Now we get 2 heads and with 1 tail, so this case also above statement will satisfy. So how many ways we can do arrangement, you tell me? 3 factorial by 2 factorial. So how much now here? 3. Next, and if B get all heads, in this case also this above statement will satisfy. How many ways we can do here? 1 way. So that means in these combinations. So totally how many in this case now here? A getting the 2 tails and B getting the, so 7 combinations we have. Now let us see this thing here. If A and B, now you see this thing, A, let us consider if A get 2, 1 head, let us say 1 head and 1 tail, then how many combinations, how many times B has to get the head? He has to get minimum 2 times, he has to get head now. 2 heads and 1 tail. How many ways we can do arrangement this thing here, tell me? 3 factorial by 2 factorial. That means how many ways? 3. Next, if A get, so any another combinations happens or not? So this is in these cases, if B get all heads, that is also acceptable. Now tell me, 1. So here this is the 7 combinations, here we have the 4 combinations. Next, any another combinations possible? Now you can see now 1 head means A may got this combination also, 1 tail, 1 head. So in this cases A has a 2 combinations. Here in this case A has 1 combinations. Any another combinations possible, you tell me? For A and B, A got the both heads. If A got the both head, B must to get the all the 3 heads has to get now. Then only above statement will satisfy. So this is how many ways you can see? Only 1 way. This is how many ways you can see? Only 1 way, and this A also 1 way. Now from this, can you able to find the probability? So here see this thing, in these cases, what is the probability of getting these combinations of how many here? Which is 1 by 4. And here this is 7 by 8. Now tell me which is given as 1 by 4 into 7 by 8. This is 1 combinations. Plus if A get at least 1 head, that means 2 by 4 and 4 by 8. So 2 by 4 into 4 by 8. Next, so here in these cases A got only 1 head. In these cases you tell me now here, that is 1 by 4. Sample space is 4 now. 1 by 4 into 1 by 8. Now let's simplify this thing here. Denominator to 32. So this is 7 plus 8 plus 1. That is 16 by 32, which is given as 1 by 2. Next, the probability of getting at least two heads when two unbiased coins are tossed 6 times. So we have tossed the coin 6 times. We have tossed. We need the probability of getting minimum two heads. Minimum two here. Minimum two means I can see this as 1 minus. So 1 minus we can say 0. I can say 1 minus probability of getting 0 tails, 0 heads, and probability of getting 1 head. I can do this thing. If you at least 2 means if you want to do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, there are so many combinations are possible. So tell me what the probability of getting 0 heads means all tail must be happen. Na? All tail must be happen. So that means this is how many combinations are there? 1 combinations. Next, 1 tail means what we can see now here, only 1 tail. Yes, the remaining all are heads, isn't it? Sorry, here we are doing the heads now, not tails. Here they are asking for the heads, right? So this is, if I say all heads, so this is how many combinations you tell me? That is 1 combination. And 1 head, remaining all are tails. Remaining all are tails. How many ways you can arrange it now here? Tell me 6 factorial by 5 factorial. That means how many ways here? 6 times. Now you can tell me totally how many ways now here. So in that case that is 1 minus 1. So here which is equal to 1 by 64 plus 1 के लिए, so 6 by 64. So that means what we can say the probability now here, 1 minus 7 by 64, which is nothing but what we can say now here, 57 by 64. Okay. Next, a fair coin is tossed 4 times. The probability that heads exceeds the tails. Means what now here? 4 times tossed. Heads must be more. That means head is more. So we have a 3 heads, 1 tail. This is combinations of how many here? 4 factorial by 3 factorial, which is equal to 4. Any other combination possible? You can see now here, heads means all heads if I take. So this is only 1 combinations. So tell me now the probability P, which is given as 5 by 16. Next, an unbiased coin is tossed to get 2 points for a turning up a head and 1 point for tail. So that means when you toss a roll, when you toss a coin, so if we got the head is appeared, you will get 2 points. For head you will get 2 points, and for tail you will get 1 point. If 3 unbiased coins are tossed simultaneously, the probability of getting a total of odd number of points, we need to get odd number of points. You see this thing here, to get this odd number of points, how it is happens, you see. For that purpose, now if we do this thing, we have 3 numbers are there. In these 3 numbers, so here if I get the head, I will get a 2 points. So if you see here, if I got the head, that is 2 points I got. If I got one more head, I will get another 2 points, 4 points. If I got one more head, 2 points. That means it will become even number. 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 6. It is even number. But I need to get odd one now here. That's why if it is a tail, I will get an odd points. You see, 5 points I will get. That is an odd number. This is one combination, isn't it? Next, what is the other combinations, you tell me. Now, if I got a tail, tail, all tails, 1 plus 1 plus 1, so it is 3 here, that is odd number only now. So in these two cases we have a odd points will get. Any another combinations we have, tell me. If this head, tail, tail, so for this I will get 2 points, for this I will get 1 point, for this I will get 1 point, total it is 4 now. It is not happens. So that means this is the only possibility you can see. Even if we got the all heads, if I got all heads cases also will get the sum is 6 I will get. So this is not the possible cases. Only this a case we have not. Tell me how many ways we can do here. This is the number of combination 3 factorial by 2 factorial. So how much now here? 3. And this is what? 1. Total we can say 4. 4 by, so how many here? 2 cube, which is equal to 4 by 8, which is equal to 1 by 2. Next, 2 uniform dice marked 1 to 6 are thrown together. The probability that the total score on them is either minimum or maximum. So here minimum sum is 2, maximum sum is what you tell me? 12. So how many combinations are there to get the sum 2? That is one combinations. And sum 12, that is also one combination only we have. So they are asking the probability the sum is minimum, which is given as we have it 1 plus 1, 2 combinations by 36. That is 2 by 36. Right? Now we completed the probability problems. Now let's see the calculus problems also. Now they given this expression here. I am simply multiplying and dividing. That is, we can say rationalizing the denominator. So let's see this thing. What I will get here. Yes. Or we can go for elucidates bhi chalega. So here, if you do rationalize, it will be difficult. So here, so if I do rationalize this thing here, you can see now plus 2 into root x by, that is, so this is 3a plus x plus 2 root x. Fine. And so then denominator, what happens, you tell me now here? 3a plus x minus 4x. Isn't it? Tell me. 4x. Next here, numerator, what will get? You see this thing here. And that what we can do here, let us do the numerator also multiply it. That is a plus 2x minus root 3x plus. Now this is a plus 2x plus root 3x. Then now you see this thing, what I will get here? Denominator, which is extra term, is a plus 2x plus root 3x. Now here numerator, what we have, tell me? A plus 2x minus 3x into root 3a plus x plus 2 root x. Now just simplify this thing here, this expression. If I simplify, it is a minus x. So a minus x. And do you get the 0 by 0 form here? If I replace now, if I replace x is equal to a. If I replace, we'll get 0 denominator, also will get 0 we are getting here. Okay, so that means better we'll go for elucidates only thereafter. So this is 3a plus x plus 2 into root x. By now here you see this thing which is equal to, now this is 3a minus x minus 3x. 3a minus 3x into square root of a plus 2x plus root 3 into x. Okay, here I can take 3 common, a minus x will get cancelled. So then, which is equal to, that is square root of 3a plus x plus 2 root x by 3 into square root of a plus 2x plus root 3x. Yeah, so then there is no problem now, we can directly substitute the limit x tends to a. So which is given as 4a plus 2 root a by 3 into what you tell me now here, square root of 3a plus square root of 3a. Okay, so if I take the 2 to inside 4a, 4a plus 4a, that is 2 into root 4a by 3 into and 2 into root 3a. Isn't it all of you tell me? So then do simplify, get it now here, cancellations. So you can see finally what is the answer will come, you tell me. So the 2 get cancelled and root will get cancelled. So that is nothing but 2 by 3 into root 3. Check it. So this is the option. Next. And you can see now here this problem. Limit y tends to x. If I substitute, we'll get 0 by 0 form. So let us do the rationalize. So let us go elucidates better. So what is this thing here? So if I differentiate this thing with respect to y, so what is this thing here? As we have discussed earlier also, y power y into 1 plus log y. Isn't it? Now elucidates, if we apply here, this is y power y into derivative we are doing with respect to y we are doing. So then this term is a constant now here by 1 minus 0. Now substitute to the limit x tends to what you tell me? Sorry, y tends to x. So which is given as x power x into 1 plus log x. Like this. Next problem. Limit 4 plus, and they given this as a greatest integer function step x. As we know, the value of this 4 plus means what you tell me? So it is in the 4.4 point something 001. So how much this value tell me? 4. As we know here, if it is a 4 minus and it is a little less than 4, this value which is a 3.999. So how much this value which is a 3? Here they given the limit x tends to 4 plus. So if I factorize the numerator, that is x minus 3 into x minus 4. Here you see this thing, this is this value little which is equal to step x value which is a 4. Now I can substitute since, isn't it? So what I will get now here, simply x minus 3 will come. Substitute the limit of x value 4 which is equal to 1. Next one here. and limit x tends to 0 sine square x minus sine square 1 by sine square hx. Now if I do the LCM and simplify, if I substitute the directly, we'll get infinite minus infinite. So then which is given as sine h square x minus sine square x by sine square x into sine h square x, right? Now as we know here sin x series, sin x, what is sin x expression, you tell me here, which is given as what will get now, odd things will come, which is x plus x cube by 3 factorial, and plus minus will come alternatively, minus plus x cube by 5 factorial minus x power 7 by 7 factorial, plus minus will come alternatively. Next, and similarly sin hx series, same as sin x, but there is no minus, x plus x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 5 by 5 factorial plus x power 7 by 7 factorial. Now can I substitute these values here? Now limit x tends to 0, so what I can do, sin square hx, which will becomes x plus x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 5 by 5 factorial plus x power 7 by 7 factorial. Like this will continue for whole square minus, so x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 5 by 5 factorial minus x power 7 by 7 factorial, whole square by denominator, you can see. So what we have, this is x plus x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 5 by 5 factorial plus x power 7 by 7 factorial plus like this in whole square into x minus x cube by 3 factorial, x power 5 by 5 factorial, x power 7 by 7 factorial. Like this will continue, right? Now you can see, now here let's try to simplify this thing. So what I am doing is, this thing I am simplifying as, this is x power 5, this is x power 7 whole square. Now let's see this thing what we can do. Squaring if I do here, now in this I can take out this as x power x square. If you have taken common, then see what happened, you tell me here, x square if you have taken common. Now this expansion in the form of a plus b plus c plus d and so on whole square. Definitely there we have a square, this term is will come now. Next what now, b square is also there, and somewhere we have a 2ab also there now. 2ab means 2 into x power 4 by 3 factorial, and of course we have so much other terms also there, those things we not required, you can see why. Here also we'll get this as a square, next plus b square x power 6 by 3 factorial minus 2ab minus 2x power 4 by 3 factorial, and so on we have by. Now if I take this as x common here and here x common, here x square, x common, that means x square into it will becomes 1 plus x square by 3 factorial x power 4 by 5 factorial. Like this will come now, whole square. Here also x square common. Now you tell me what I will get here. So this is 1 minus x square by 3 factorial x power 4 by 5 factorial. Like this will come. Now if you see this thing, limit x value tending to 0, limit x value tending to 0, if you see carefully, now in this here at this locations, if you see here this numerator power is more, yes, so then in these cases x square we have will get cancelled now. Here you see minus or minus x square will get cancelled. X power 6 also will get cancelled. Now let's see what's the other terms. You see this is will be added, that is 4 by 3 factorial into x power 4 plus what are the powers are there, the remaining everything must be more than x power 4, yes or no, those are more than x power 4. And this x square this is x power 4 into this is 1 plus x square by 3 factorial x power 4 by 5 factorial. Like this we have whole square, again 1 minus x square by 3 factorial plus x power 4 by 5 factorial. Like this will continue. If you see this thing, these terms are more than x power 4 and this term will get cancelled. You can see now here in all these cases x power 4 we can take out common. All these cases we can take x power 4 we have taken common, then x power 4 will get cancelled. Now tell me. Then as a result, if I substitute the limit now, so what happens now here, that is 4 by 3 factorial and denominator we have cable 1 will left out now here. So that's why 4 by 3 into 2 which is equal to 2 by 3 is the answer. So thoda lengthy problem hai, yes, you can do here. And even if you can the same problem we can do by using the elucidates also, that is also a lengthy method. Next problem. Now you see this thing, limit extends to infinity, what happens? Now here you can see now it is a 1 power infinite form now here. 1 power infinite form. So then which is given as e power will do limit x tends to infinity. Tell me now here. So x into x square plus 5x plus 3 by x square plus x plus 2 minus 1. Now so this is limit x tends to infinity, x into what we can say, tell me, x square plus 5x plus 3 minus x square minus x minus 2 by x square plus x plus 2. Now tell me now here x square will get cancelled. So this is e power limit x tends to infinity, that is x into what I will get, you see here, and which is a 4x plus 1 by, I can take out x square. If I take the x square as a common, tell me what I will get now here. This is 1 plus 1 by x plus 2 by x square. So which is given as e power limit x tends to infinity. So numerator also x square common, then it will becomes x square into this is 4 plus 1 by x by x square in the denominator, 1 plus 1 by x plus 2 by x square. X square will get cancelled, so what we are left out here, tell me, 1 by x is 0. It is e power 4 will left out now here. So that is a answer, e power 4, option 1. Right. Yeah. Like this, we'll continue the classes. All of you do enroll for this Unacademy by using a referral code of B V Reddy. Okay, and regarding these problems, regular problems and all, you do follow my Telegram channel. Telegram channel, you can search the B V Reddy Gate. You will see my profile and you can join in that group. Okay then, that's for the today's session. We'll meet in the next class. See you, bye bye.